Struggling with your Tacoma's 4-low mode? You're not alone. The Toyota Tacoma is a reliable beast, but sometimes that 4-low mode can be a bit stubborn. Let's break down why this happens and how to fix it. First, make sure your Tacoma is in neutral. Many times 4-low won't engage because the truck is still in drive. Shift into neutral, then try again. Next, check your speed. 4. Low only works if you're moving under 3 miles per hour. If you're rolling faster, slow down to engage it. If it's still not working, listen for a clicking sound when you turn the switch. No click? It might be an electrical issue. Check the fuses related to the 4WD system and replace any that are blown. Sometimes the actuator motor, which engages the 4-low, can get stuck. This is a bit more complex, so consulting a mechanic is a good idea if you suspect this is the issue. Lastly, your Tacoma's transfer case fluid level could be low. Low fluid can prevent 4-low from engaging properly. Check the fluid level and top it up if needed. So remember, neutral gear, low speed, listen for clicks, check fuses, and keep an eye on that fluid level. Got it? Great. Now you're ready to tackle any trail with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.